Hello everyone, you're all welcome to Siddhartha Sinha vlog. And in this vlog, I'm going to draw the legendary freedom fighter Subash Chandra Bose. And in this will be a series of videos actually. In one video, if I complete it, it would be a very long video. So I have divided the video into, I have divided the artwork into certain videos. You will be able to see the entire tutorial. I have not done any time lapse. After completion of the entire project, after completion of the entire portrait, I will be definitely making a time lapse video of the same. But presently at this point of time, I am thinking to make a portrait for you. I hope all of you will enjoy. So why waste time? Let's get started. So friends, you can see I have taken a cartridge paper of 140 GSM, and this is a rough sheet I have taken because I need to place my hand here, and if I don't place my hand, then the dirt of my hand might there might be some patches of the dirt on the main paper, and it will not give a good look to the artwork. So that is the reason whenever you're doing shading, anything which you are doing related to pastels and pencils, you should always use such rough paper. It's very recommended. Now I'm going to take out the set of the pencils which I'm going to use. So for drawing I will be using 2B pencils. These many pencils will not be utilized here, so don't worry. Only 2B pencil I will be using. Using 2B pencil, I will be able to draw the guidelines. So here you can see that I am making a circle here, and this is the guideline which I am giving. This is the construction lines on the basis of which I will construct the portrait of Netaji Subash Chandra Bose. So I am giving the basic idea where and how the face will be. So the portrait which I am making, it is partially in profile. It is in 45-degree angle. This angle is considered to be one of the most difficult angle, and we have seen this portrait in many places. So that is the reason I have considered this photo to take as a reference. So I'm not going to do any form of time lapse here. You will be able to see my actual work. So in order to make this outline of a portrait, how much time does it take, you would be able to understand. So now I'm going very slow and I'm just making the basic structure. So mind it, I have not shared the measurement of the face in this case. For that I will be making a separate video. Here I am simply making a portrait of Netaji Subash Chandra Bose. In some other video I will be showing you, or I will be giving you the idea of guideline as well. You can see that I am moving the pencils very soft over the surface of the paper. It is not that hard. Maybe you are able to see it. The lines are very light. If I erase the entire drawing which I made till now, then you will not be able to find a single patch of line available in the paper. So the line should be that much light, because only after that you will be able to draw it. Mind it, in order to make portrait, measurement is very important. If there is a small difference in the measurement, then the entire portrait would change. and you will not be able to recognize that person. Just don't get bored by watching it. You can also try, if you are an art lover, you will not mind to try along with me. You will also take one uh, paper with you and you would start scribbling. So once you start scribbling in the paper, your artwork, the journey of art, journey as an artist, or journey of creating an artwork would be started. So you should not wait for anyone and anything. So I'm just creating the idea here so that it becomes easier in order to shade and in order to do other stuffs. So I'm giving an idea of the shadows as well, where I will be shading, because the shadow will play a major part in the sketch, because it is the distribution of light and shade with the help of which we can make a 2D surface look 3D. So guys, this is it. My outline is almost done. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to shade and how can we put the shading in this drawn sketch. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.